An exercise that I find is very effective is to do back extensions on your stomach. So if you find that the standing back extensions don't feel comfortable, then go ahead and transition to going on your stomach. Being in this position too, it alleviates tension that's on the spine. So we're gonna go ahead and do that right now. So you wanna go ahead and lay down on your stomach. The first thing that you wanna do is just rest in this position and just let your body relax. So just by being here, you're able to alleviate tension that's on the muscle and on the ligaments. And if you are ever experiencing back pain in the future, this is something that you can just move into. You can go into this position, and a lot of the times just resting here can alleviate your pain. So then the next thing you would do is you're gonna try to work yourself up into doing some back extensions. So you're gonna go ahead and press up like this, and then come back down. And try to go up a little bit more every single time that you do it. So you're trying to increase the amount of extension that you have and go as far as you can go. And so this is healthy for your spine. This is good because how often does your back really go into this position? It doesn't do it too often. Now, one of the common mistakes with this exercise is to tighten up your glutes, to tighten up the back muscles or the leg muscles. You don't want to do that. You want to make sure this movement is passive. You're just using your arms and you're not really using any other muscle. So try to relax everything else and just go up and down like that. Try to do 10 repetitions. That's all that you need to do. And same thing like the standing one. You're just gonna do this exercise every 3 to 4 hours. So you can choose between those two. You could interchange them. You can do the one that feels more comfortable. And that's what I would advise. I would advise that you try to find the one that feels the best and stick with that one. And if for whatever reason, if your pain's getting worse or you get pain that comes on, then simply don't do it. There's plenty of other exercises that we can do.